Hi, welcome back to my channel. So this character was originally created in Blender, but I personally am more familiar with the tools in 3D Studio Max, and I've imported in over here to make some modifications to the meshes. For example, this waist cloth, I need to delete the inner faces, and then to slice the top part of it and combine it with the shirt to make it into one mesh. However, I find that Blender is still the preferred tool when it comes to rigging and bone weight setup. And when I go back to Blender to import the modified mesh, I realize there's this problem. That is, the number of faces seem to be increased on the mesh. And so to fix this, we have to first enter into edit mode and then click on mesh and go to faces and then trace to quads. A shortcut key is alternate J. And so when I go back to object mode, somehow you can see that the surface seems to be not smooth. How do we solve this? Go back to edit mode, shading / UVs, set from faces. And there you have it. It is now looking like how it should be, and it's easier to work with now. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.